Why hello, it's me, MrSasaki, and I'm here for Minuet 3 from Suzuki Viola Book 1. This is the most melodic of the three minuets, and I want to start out with two fun facts about it. Fact number 1, this was not written by Bach. It was actually written by his contemporary Christian Petzold. Bach had a guest book at his house, so people would sign in, and it was manuscript paper, so people would write in musical salutations and little diddlies to Bach. And so Bach would go through and play them sometimes, and if he liked it, he might have repurposed some of them as his own. Just saying. Fact number 2. This was a famous pop song at one point. So the first half of it was used by a largely forgotten girl group called The Toys. It was their biggest hit, 1965. Okay, it was called A Lover's Concerto. And it made it to number 2 on the Billboard charts. Held back, get this, from number 1 by The Beatles and Yesterday. So imagine the musical history behind all of this melody. It's just incredible. Here is Minuet 3, Bach Petzold. 1, 2, 3. So, how'd you do? Let me know in the comments below. Check in. How are you doing? Let me know. If you found value in this, like, share, and subscribe. It really helps out the channel. And I will see you in the next video. Bye.